So in this video, I just want to jump on and share a cute little centerpiece that I threw together. It's a Walmart DIY, I guess you could call it. I was looking for some kind of little centerpiece to throw in my kitchen window. Now that I've taken all my Christmas stuff down, it's kind of looking plain. And I was in Walmart tonight and I came across these cute little galvanized buckets. They were only $2.72. And the greenery was 97 cents each stem, so I bought 4 of those, I think 4 or 5. And the crate was $5.86, and the foam I already had, but I did buy that at Walmart at one point. So I'm just going to throw everything together, paint my crate, and make myself a little centerpiece. So here's what everything looks like all thrown together. I painted my crate, and then I added my greenery to my buckets and put them in the crate, and I'm ready to place it in my window. So this did cost me about $15 to make, and you can buy these, of course, already put together in places like Home Goods and TJ Maxx. And I have seen them putting these out because they're putting a lot of spring stuff out, so you will find stuff like this in there, and they're going to range anywhere from $15 to $30. But the only thing is, making it yourself, you're kind of making it your own. You get to pick your own flowers, your own paint, you just kind of make it your own, and that's what makes it more special. That's going to end my video, and thanks for watching.